Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and today we're doing an approximate 1-year update on the Flextape repair of the above ground pool. So I always laugh the comments on the first video. I get a lot of "that's not really Flextape" and a lot of "clean your pool." Well, first of all, this is Flextape. They sell it in black and white, and have both colors. I used white for the pool because I thought it was a closer match. Number two, if you notice the date of the first video, it was before the swim season, and so yeah, we hadn't cleaned the pool in a long time, so it was very dirty. I wanted to give you an update on the patch. It lasted about a year, and then it started to develop a small leak. As you know, I've got it on the inside as well as the outside, so I'm trying to give it double protection here. But you can kind of see even this one now, it's been on for about a month or two. It's starting to develop a little bit of a bubble there. But overall, compared to buying a new pool, obviously the Flextape is the way to go. Just like I did in the first video, you really want it to be drain the water below the cut, dry it, clean it thoroughly with alcohol, and then stick it on, following the directions of the Flextape. And you should get fairly decent results. I've tried cleaning it with alcohol, the isopropyl about 90, I don't know if it's 91 or 99%, and even cleaned it with lacquer thinner, which is another comparable type product. So this is the inside view. As you can see, the pool is pretty clean. It's been a couple days since I've cleaned it, but hopefully no more clean your pool comments. That's where the patch is on the inside. Anyway, I'm not hating on Flextape in any way, shape, or form. I mean, it does a pretty good job. It's certainly not as good as what they show on the TV commercials, but I think that's to be expected. One thing I've noticed with Flextape, it doesn't like the Texas heat. So like, if this was in direct sun, this would probably fall off. But that's probably the biggest weakness of Flextape that I've noticed, is it doesn't stick well in the heat. Besides the fact that it doesn't do what they show in the commercials, where they just slap it onto things and it stops, high pressure water leaks. I've never found it to do that. Anyway, hope the video was helpful. Appreciate a thumbs up. Appreciate you subscribing, and share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.